Look at this giant one.
Ooh.
Wow, that's a beauty.
Careful on that ladder.
Almost full.
The pH is low, 5.8. We definitely need lime before planting.
Agreed. We should amend the soil this week.
Colossal rootstock is performing well.
Yes, the callus is clean and the roots are dense. These are highly vigorous.
We will start tagging these for you.
You want to aim for about 45 to 60 degrees, just like that. It encourages fruiting.
.4 meters tall, trunk diameter 28 millimeters.
This is bud swell stage. In approximately 21 days, full bloom. The season is beginning.
%85 of flowers show a swelling, excellent fertilization.
Full set, excellent. We'll need aggressive thinning.
12, 13, 14 on this section. That is far too many. We need the crew mobilized immediately.
Come on.
52 millims at week 6. Last week was 44 millims. Next one, 55 millims. Average this week, 52 millims.
Two more weeks. 2 more weeks.
Five days.
Days. The 6 trucks are confirmed for staggered arrival starting Monday. We'll load the first 3 runs by Tuesday evening.
Good. Make sure the...
If you tear the spur, that position won't produce next year.
Let's start with from there. I found it. Look at this one.
1.24 kilograms.
Everything accounted for on the manifest. Sign right there.
All right, 8 months of work heading out.
I'll take 200 boxes.
All right, 200 it is. Who's next? 55. Do I hear 60?
Block 7 yield was down 8%,
Block 7 had a block drip line. We need pressure compensating emitters.
and thinning should be 3 days earlier next year.
Eighton 2219 per meter.
That's a significant increase. The potential is huge. 12 moths this week. That's up from 4. The population is increasing, so we need to increase monitoring frequency.
13.5 bricks, actual bricks 13.8, average 13.6. 1.4 bricks to go before harvest authorization.
We leave only the largest fruit in this section to maximize photosynthesis for the 800-gram target. Now,
The RDI fruit is smaller, but the bricks is significantly higher, 15.2.
the quality difference is clear.
Yes, hello. I'm calling to report the hail damage from this afternoon. Block 3 is looking at about 60%, and Block 7 is closer to 80.
Than stage result. The Caucasian male farm manager watches a flock of parrots approach. They land on the netting, cannot reach the fruit.
In a dry summer, this farm uses 1.2 million liters per week.
The orchard gets better every year for the first 8 to 10 years, then it plateaus.
The soil teems with life. Fungal networks connect every tree's roots, creating an invisible ecosystem that feeds the trees.